Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Google's newest AI assistant, Google Bard. If you've been blown away by ChatGPT, you'll definitely want to see what Google's cooking up in the AI kitchen. Section 1. What is Google Bard? Google Bard is Google's answer to ChatGPT, a powerful AI language model designed to boost your productivity and creativity across any industry, tech, sales, education, healthcare, you name it. But how does it work? And more importantly, what can you use it for? Stick around, we've got real-world examples that will blow your mind. Section 2. Plan a road trip with Bard. Let's say you want to plan a trip from Miami to New York, but you've got a budget, $4,200 to be exact, and you want to visit 5 cities along the way. Easy. Just type in your preferences, road trip, budget, number of stops, and Bard returns a full itinerary, routes, hotel costs, sightseeing gems, even money-saving hacks like staying in hostels or cooking meals. It's like having a travel agent, tour guide, and accountant rolled into one AI. Section 3. Create viral Instagram jokes. Trying to go viral on Instagram? Bard's got you. Just ask it to generate catchy jokes for your next post, like holiday-themed one-liners. Why did the turkey cross the road? To get to the gravy side. Some jokes might miss the mark. We're looking at you. Kangaroo pouch potato. But here's the cool part. You can give feedback to train Bard to get your humor just right. Section 4. Crush your next job interview. Prepping for an interview with AWS in London? Bard can whip up 20 tailored interview questions in seconds. From basics like, what is AWS? To advanced problem solving. How would you scale an EC2 instance? What are secure ways to migrate data? Need harder questions? Just ask. Bard adapts in real time to your level. Section 5. Find your target audience. Let's say you're running a commercial painting business in Chelsea, UK. Who's your ideal customer? Bard helps you identify your target audience fast, from shops and restaurants to landlords. It even suggests how to market to them, flyers, online ads, website tips. And again, if the response isn't spot on, rate it and refine. Bard learns from you. Section 6. Bonus use case. Essay writing. Need help writing an essay? Bard can structure your thoughts, suggest outlines, or even provide full drafts, whether it's for school, work, or content creation. Just tell it the topic, tone, and word count, and boom, a solid draft appears. From trip planning to joke writing, from interview prep to business strategy, Google Bard is a versatile powerhouse. And the best part? The more you use it, the better it gets at helping you. Hit that like button if you learned something new. Drop your favorite Bard use case in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI hacks, tutorials, and deep dives. This is just the beginning. Welcome to the age of conversational AI with Google Bard.